Good morning, children. So, shall we start? Yeah. Get ready with your book, textbook. Open page number 78. That is chapter 11 in the orchard. Okay. Now, yesterday, let us recall things. Yesterday, we have learned how do we feel. Yes, when we are surrounded by green trees. Fine. How do you feel when you see green trees? For that, I have gave you one example also that you can plant a small tomato at your home. Yes, and when you see the small baby plant, what you will realize, the happiness. So imagine if one plant can give happiness, that if lot of plants are there, then how much happiness will get multiplied. Okay, so this was the thing yesterday we have seen. Okay, now let us first read. Come to our next question. It is asked, how many different color flowers have you seen? Write their names. As we all know, every flower is having different a color. Red color, white color, yellow color, pink color, purple color. Yes. Write down all the names, different colors. Pink color. That's it. Fine. Now the next question is the next thing over here written. Are there things in your house which have design of flower made on them like clothes, bedsheet, vase, etc.? Here you can see the design. Okay, now this design which they are talking about, it is called floral design. Got children? It is called floral design. Now floral design means what? It is a design in which you can see the patterns of flowers. You can see the picture of different kind of flowers. Now just think about it. Where have you seen this flower design on which she is wearing? Yes, floral sarees are also there. Might be jewelry. Jewelry is also made according to floral design. Then all the things. Sometimes your sister's frock. In the sister frock also floral designs are made. This is a nice pattern of flowers which makes it look very beautiful. Fine. Now come to the next side. Apart from clothes, there are many things. There are vase. Vase, you all know what is meant by vase. Vase means it's a flower pot. It's a flower pot which is also having a kind of a flower design. Means flower design is painted on that. Okay. That's it. Now next. This is a picture. Green box you can see. This is a picture of tapestry made by the people of Kutch by using embroidery. This design of flower is done very skillfully. Such designs are done on cushion cover, purse, wallet, bags, etc. Okay, now tapestry is a design. That design you can see in this picture. It is a design which is done by embroidery. Embroidery, you all know what is meant by embroidery. Your father's shirt might be having some embroidery design. Mother's sari might be having some embroidery design which is made by using the needle. You can ask your mother also about this to show you the embroidery thing. Okay, so this is the picture of embroidery. Now in this embroidery, the designs of flower are made. You can also see here also there are the designs in which flower shape are there. Fine. So tapestry is a kind of peculiar kind in which design of flowers are only there. Okay, now where it is made? It is made by the people who made this. The people of Kutch. They make such kind of designs. They are very skillful. They are very skillful. Skillful means what? In which you use your brains, some unique designs. Fine. When we make something and when it look very beautiful, what the other person, what he will say? He will say how skillfully someone has made this. Okay, when the painting is very good. So we don't say such kind of word. Wow, what a beautiful painting. That's a common thing. But if you want to say it in a different manner, we can say how skillfully the painting is made, how skillfully the embroidery has been done. So this is just a complimentary word. Okay. Now these designs are made on cushion cover. Cushion means a small pillow. You all know better than me. Okay. Then wallet. Wallet means what? Purse, bag, etc. So got this? So now try to find it out at your home. See and just find out what are the things at your home are having floral design. Are having floral design means design of flowers on it. Fine. Clothes, might be some material, whatever. Just search it in your house, and I'm sure you will get some kind of things. Okay. Whatever frame, photo frame. Some photo frame is also having some flower work on it. So whatever it is, your mother jewelry might be having flower design. So just search it, and that's it. Okay children, now we are going to start with flowers. Okay, now we have learned flower designs are there on the things. Now we will learn about what are flowers. What are flowers? Flowers are the small creatures which grow on tree, which grow on bushes, which grow on climber plant. Some grow in water. Fine. So let us start now. Some plants are there. Yes, the names we will discuss in the next. There are some plants which grows on trees. Now which grow on tree, when you come to school, when you go to anywhere, you might find what? A tree, yes, loaded with lot of flowers. On the way you will find it out. On the way there are a lot of trees. It's not that for this you have to go to the forest, you have to go to such a botanical garden to see such things. No, I'm talking about whenever you visit, you travel, fine, you will find this kind of trees anywhere. The trees which are having flowers on it. Okay, they are called what? They are called the bushes, and they are also having what? They are also having the flowers. Now some plants are there which grows on the climber plant. Climber plant means what? A plant which is not having stem. Yes, stem means it needs supports to climb. It needs, because the stem is very soft. Fine, it climbs on the wall. So there are some plants also. This you also might notice. Those who have a garden at your home. Fine. If not, then we will see in the next slide. Okay. Now there are some plants which grow in water, and the very famous is what? Lotus. Lotus is a plant which grow where? In the water. Okay, not only lotus, there are also many plants. Okay, now next is bloom in day. Now there are some plants, yes, which bloom in day and close at night. Bloom in day means the plant which bloom like a sun. Yes, like when the sun comes, it blooms, and when the sun goes away, it closes at night. So what I'm talking about, with the name of the sun only, the flower got its name. Fine, that is the sunflower we are talking about. Okay, now next is flowers recognized by the scent. Okay, every flower, only some flower are there which do not have the scent, but most of the flower are recognized by the scent. Means we can close our eyes, we can have the fragrance of we can smell the flower, and we can identify, and we can say, yeah, this is a rose or this is a lotus, like this all, because different flowers have different fragrance. Okay, now let us talk about fragrance. Now we all know, because of having fragrance in it, there are a lot of perfume also coming. Yes, there are a lot of perfumes in which the smell of rose is there. Yes, so the smell of lily, jasmine, different not only perfume, soap are also there, in which flowers smell flower fragrance are been added. Okay, now next is bloom round year. Bloom round year. Bloom means what? Bloom means it is there all year. Okay, bloom means flowering. Okay, now before starting bloom, let us tell me, when we grow a rose plant also, let us take a rose plant. What happened? Initially the rose come with all the petals? No. Initially what we will see a small thing, yes, on which the leaves are close. A small flower whose leaves are close, and leaves are also not too much. Okay, whose petals, not leaves, sorry, whose petals are close. Initially rose is like this. When it's a baby, it is like this. and with the passing of time, yes, what happened? The petals start opening, and when the petal open, it is a nice beautiful flower, and we can see it's a bloom flower. Okay, so you now got the meaning of bloom. So bloom round year means full year we can find this. Okay, now next, bloom only during certain months, only during this certain months. Now when we are talking about this, that a flower which is there only in a certain month, that is what. Now there in India, if you will visit Kashmir, if you visit Uttarakhand, during what? During the spring season. Now spring season is the best. Spring season means when the winter time goes and when summer is going to start. Okay, especially in the month of Feb. Feb is a month, yes. Now in this month, a lot of flowers bloom. Different varieties of flowers we can see, which we can't see during the whole year. Okay, this is only a particular year, time when they grow. So when you visit such place, that is the Uttarakhand, especially in North Kashmir, if you will see, you will find a variety of flowers, a valley which is filled with flowers only, and that you have different colors of flowers which you have never ever seen before. Fine, and these flowers are there only in the month of spring. When the spring season goes away, this flower also dies. Okay, they only come for a few span of life, that is only in the particular time, but for a particular period. Okay, so this is the difference between bloom round year and bloom only for a certain months. So I hope you got to know the difference between this. Okay, now all the things we will discuss in the next part. With the picture I will show you what kind of flowers are this. Okay, the meaning you got to know. Now downstairs you can see there is a board written over there, do not pluck flowers. Okay, why? When you visit any kind of a garden, you can see the board is there, not to pluck flower, and if you will pluck the flower, you have to pay the penalty. Yes, usually big gardens are there. Fine. Now why it is written so? Because the flowers, they are also living thing, they add beauty to nature. Yes, and we should not pluck flower just for their beauty. Just because it is looking so beautiful, I need to pluck it, I need to have it for a day, and that's it. No, we should not do like this. Okay, that's why these boards are especially there in the garden, because it looks, when there are a lot of flowers around you, the place looks beautiful. Fine. So that's why the garden looks very beautiful only just because of the flower and the trees. Imagine if in the garden there is no flower, there is no tree, there is no grass. Are you going to stay over there? No. You will just go, you will have your rights, and then you will come back. But the relaxation you will not going to get. Fine. When we visit garden, what happens? We sit, we relax. Why we relax? Because we sit on a grass. Yes, and everybody loves to sit on grass. Plus, there are a lot of flowers, there are a lot of trees, which gives what? Fresh oxygen. When we are sitting in a garden, there is a sense of happiness. There is a sense, what I can say, we feel like we are relaxing. Whatever tension we are having, it just goes away. Fine, because our body gets the fresh dose of oxygen. Fine, and when there is a fresh dose of oxygen going inside our body, it releases a mood of happiness. That's why it is written over there, do not pluck the flowers, because eyes also feel relaxed when we see greenery around. This is also a fact. It's not a line I'm saying, this is a fact. When you see different colors of flowers, when you see green grass, green plants, what happens? Our eye sensation, they gets relaxed by seeing all this natural beauty. So we should preserve it. We should not pluck this only just because of the beauty that we want. Yes, it is looking so beautiful, so we need to pluck it. No, we don't. Fine. So this much only we will learn about. Tomorrow I am going to show you about the different pictures. Okay. Now children, prepare for your test, which is your EVS test. Okay. Read the chapters thoroughly. Read all the chapters thoroughly. Don't just mug up the answers. Try to know the meaning of the answer, what I have made you return, what I have asked, and if there is any difficulty, you can just contact.